Hello everybody, my name is GiangTube. I study in class 3A in Pedagogical Practice School of Viên University. You know, we are facing many problems because of humans' destruction on the earth. Today, I want to raise my voice on endangered and extinct animals. Currently, about 1,556 species are identified as endangered or near extinct. There are many reasons that make an animal endangered and extinct. Destruction of habitat, pollution, hunting, fishing, high genetic vulnerability, diseases, and low birth rates are the main causes. First, you and I will answer the question, what are endangered animals? Animals present in such small numbers that it is at risk of extinction are called endangered animals. Let's have a look. Tigers. The tiger has long been hunted for its nicely patterned fur. It is dying also because of habitat loss. Tiger numbers have fallen by about 95%, and some species are already extinct. Sea turtles. They are killed for the eggs, meat, skin, and shells. Now there are less than 1 million sea turtles left. Some other endangered animals are amber leopards, gorillas, rhinos, orangutans, Sumatran elephant, pandas, vaquitas, and pangolins, and then extinct. When an entire species of animals die out, that species is extinct. Once being extinct, it is gone forever. All children love dinosaurs. Me too, but they're extinct. Dinosaurs is a type of an ancient reptile that lived millions of years ago all over the world. Woolly mammoths, sharp-faced bears, Irish elk, dire wolf, phytocyne, saber-toothed cat, and aurochs are some other extinct animals. As you know, animals play an important part in our environment. They help maintain the biodiversity in nature. We need to protect the animals by following the measures. 1. Protect their habitat. 2. No hunting. 3. Do not use animal products such as feathers, horns, and other things. Being a child, I can't do it by myself, but I strongly believe that all of us can keep the earth a safe home together. Friends, teachers, and parents, can you do right now? Save the animals, save our life. Goodbye, see you again.